quiz, no? So if you take
Good deal!
all right, let's practice all together. Okay, one person, one day.
One good deal!
Love that. And
Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ito, good luck po, good luck po sa mga
one person, one day.
One good deal!
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, go!
Nalay ko. Bet, dito. Woo, we're done. We're done. Kukunin na ang medal niya. Kukunin na yung medal namin. Ito ako sa 30K. 3K. Ay, sorry.
Congrats, po! Good morning!
Congrats po.
Yes, family members, everyone here today, let us get into the groove. May I request everyone to gather. Bid number 301. And another bid number 10670. Bid number 10670.
Alright, calling the winners. Kindly approach the stage or else you'll be picking another lucky winner's draw.
Oh, nakatatlo.
30981. 30981.
And another one we have.
Bid number 50221. 50221.
Kindly approach the main stage and hear your number to claim raffle prizes.
We draw another
Two more lucky winners for Beta Shoes. We have, if you hear your number,
Number 538. 538.
and we have
Raffle number 11060. 11060.
Kasarami.